What's up, YouTube friends? Now this is a pretty different video than what I'm used to posting. As a lot of you know, I do live in Nebraska, and this is what's happening right now. So what you're looking at right now is actually two different rivers. I live by the Elkhorn River, it's right down here, and then the Platte River is right back here. Today, it's one giant ocean. Now we were all ready for winter to be over, but we didn't want this. I'm not sure how you can see it, but there are some RVs parked. They're pretty much underwater. There's houses all the way down here underwater. Now you don't have to worry about Mother and I. We're okay. We're up here on this hill, but there's no way in and no way out. Now most of this is primarily farmland, and it's just underwater. I really feel for these farmers. I know how sad I get when my garden floods, and that's just a little piece of land. This is their livelihood. So I just wanted to give you a quick update about what's going on in Nebraska, and just to let you know that me and Mother are okay. Crazy. Now you probably can't see it down the camera very well, but even way down here is also flooded. And way up north. Absolutely crazy.